Adding the device using the first option, scan to add. In the scan to add option, we will use the mobile phone's camera to scan the QR code on the device. Tap on scan to add.
After the device powered on, scan the QR code on the device or on the monitor.
If at any time it asks you for permissions to use the camera, just accept those permissions. Now move the camera over to the QR code located on the camera. Click on I know. Check that the device light is blinking on the camera. Select device light is blinking, click on next. At this point in time, you can choose the Wi-Fi that you want to connect to. Put in the password of that Wi-Fi, click on next. Make sure that the Wi-Fi you select is a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. It is not compatible with 5G. Click on next.
Wireless settings, please wait.
So what I've just done now is I've pointed the camera to the QR code. You heard the prompt tone, and once you hear the prompt tone, you can then click on hear the prompt tone. At this point in time, it will now connect.
The wireless connection is successful.
It will now connect the Wi-Fi device to your Wi-Fi network. When you come up to this screen, you can name the location of where you're going to put the camera. So for example, you might place the camera inside your office. You can name it office. Click on next. Great. Once you've come to this screen, you have successfully added the camera to your Eseecloud app. Click on finished. We will now add the LZ device using the second option. The second option, camera scan code to add. Once again, just make sure your LZ device is powered up. You are sitting close to your Wi-Fi router. The Wi-Fi is a 2.4 gigahertz network. Tap on camera scan code to add. Click on I know. Check that the LZ device LED light is blinking. If it is blinking, tap device light is blinking. Then tap on next. Here you can select your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Once you've selected your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, put in your password. Make sure your Wi-Fi password is correct. Tap on next. It'll now generate a QR code on your phone. Take your LZ device and point the camera towards the QR code.
Wireless settings, please wait.
Once you hear the prompt tone, tap on hear the prompt tone. It will now connect the LZ device to your Wi-Fi network using that password you entered earlier on.
The wireless connection is successful.
Here you can name the location of where you're going to place the camera. So for example, I'm going to place this camera inside my office. I will call it office. Then I will tap on finished. You can now test on the camera by pressing the play button. And you have successfully added the LZ device to the Eseecloud app. I'm now going to add the device using the fourth option, camera ID add. In this option, make sure that you've connected your network cable from the router to your device. Ensure that you are sitting next to your device and your device is powered up. Also, get ready the Cloud ID. The Cloud ID can be found either on the camera or on the side of the product box. Tap on Camera ID Add. In Cloud ID, put in the Cloud ID that is found on the device or on the side of the product box. So for example, I'm going to type the Cloud ID of the device I'm going to add. Under device name, you can name the location of where you're going to place the device. So for example, I'm going to place my camera in my office. I will name it office. Under username, leave the username as admin. Under password, leave the password empty. Double check that you have the correct Cloud ID. When you are ready, tap on Finished. Once you have reached the screen, you have successfully added the camera. You can then test the camera by pressing the play button. We'll be adding the LZ device using the fifth option, LAN scanning. Ensure that you have plugged in the network cable. The network cable is running from your internet router to the LZ device. The device is powered on. Tap on LAN scanning. It'll now search your network for the device. Once it has found the device will be listed underneath search device. You can double check the Cloud ID with the Cloud ID located on the camera. Tap on Add. It'll automatically fill in the Cloud ID. Under device name, you can name the location of where you're going to place the camera. So for example, maybe you're going to place the camera inside your office. You can then name it office. Leave the username as admin. Leave the password empty. Once you've double checked all your details, click on Finished. Once you come to the screen, you have successfully added the camera to your app. You can then go ahead and click on the play button. In this tutorial, we are going to connect the LZ device to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. This applies to LZ devices that are currently connected via a network cable to your router. So just make sure that the network cable is plugged in both to your router and to the LZ device, and the LZ device is switched on. Tap on the three dots. Tap on Settings. Scroll down. Tap on Advanced Settings. Tap on Connect New Wi-Fi. On the top here by Choose Wi-Fi, you can manually put in the Wi-Fi name. Make sure it is a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Put in the Wi-Fi password. Alternatively, you can select the Wi-Fi network from the Wi-Fi list. And then in the top right hand corner, there is Confirm. Now, before I click Confirm, just double check that your Wi-Fi name is correct as well as your password. And then when you click Confirm, what will happen is it will get the LZ device to connect with these details to your Wi-Fi network. Listen very carefully to the LZ device, because once it is successful, you will hear it say that there is a successful connection.
Wireless settings, please wait. The wireless connection is successful.
Right, so I've connected the LZ device to my Wi-Fi network. It has been successful. You can disconnect the network cable and then you can test your live viewing by pressing the play button.